Dozens of homeless people in and around the Halfway Tree area in St. Andrew were able to get a hot meal Monday morning. As you'll hear in this report, the lockdown has proven difficult for them. Javon Keys has the details.
The idea of no movement means little to the nation's homeless. With nowhere to go, they're left to roam the streets. The lockdown days have amplified the country's homeless situation. They're like the odd one out on deserted streets. And it's on days like this Winston Thompson says are his worst. He, like many others, depend on the hearts of strangers to give them a meal. On regular days, sourcing food is not as hard, but the hunger bites. Thompson explains that he missed the opportunity to get a meal in downtown Kingston on Sunday as part of the Ministry of Local Government's Poor Relief Program. So he journeyed to Halfway Tree to get to this location for food.
The meal is good because they accidentally get none. But they give food on King Street. And they give food on Poor Relief, but none come to Parade. I wait all day, so 4 hours, I get no meal. But this open Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. They can get a warm meal. So I come up here Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday.
The Bethel Baptist Church has been distributing food as part of the Poor Relief Program. While there, dozens of people showed up for food and water. Roy Stewart was among those who received. He's been living on the streets for more than 7 years after gun violence forced him out of his house.
I feel good. I can save my life.
Popular Halfway Tree herbalist Jennifer Francis was among those who received a hot meal.
Right now, through the corona and the curfew, it kind of get too tight and not now go on. So I have to give thanks to the church people when we can get to survive and keep me health strong, because I don't have it and not going on.
But it's felt if more charitable groups are included in the exemption list, homeless people will have greater access to food on lockdown days. Javon Keys, TVJ News.